how to fix Instagram chat team option not showing. So first thing guys, you need to open the settings on your phone, and after you open the settings, now you have to go into the apps manager right here. After you go into the apps, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you can see. So you have to go into the search bar and search for Instagram and then click on it. After you click on it, now you have to click on the force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click on the notifications management. Make sure that all notifications right here are enabled like this, especially the badges down here, and then go back, click on the storage, this option right here, and then click on clear cache. After that, click on clear data to clear all the data on the app. Now you have to do one last thing. You have to open the Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, you have to use the App Store. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram, and update it right there. After you update your Instagram, now you have to restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.